Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you with 3 methods to find out if a disk drive is GPT or MBR in Windows 11 or 10. For this video, I will use disk management, command prompt and PowerShell tools. So let me begin without any delay. First one is through disk management tool. For this, right click on this one start button. Select here disk management. In the disk management window, select the disk by clicking on it, then right click on it, select properties option, then move to this one volumes tab. Here you can find partition style, that is GPT or MBR. Next one method is through command prompt. For this, click on this one start button, then type here cmd, right click on this one command prompt entry, select run as administrator. In case Windows prompts, click yes. In the command prompt window, you need to type disk part and then press enter on the keyboard. You can find all these details in this video description also. If you need, you can copy that. Next one command is list disk and then press enter on the keyboard. In case you find here GPT and below that a star, that means you are using GPT, and if you see here MBR and below that a star, that means your disk is using MBR style. Next one method is through PowerShell. For that, click on this one start button, type here PowerShell. In the search results, right click on this one Windows PowerShell entry, select run as administrator. In case Windows prompts, click on the yes button. In the PowerShell window, you need to type get dash disk command. After that, press enter on the keyboard. Here you can verify partition style, if it is GPT or MBR. That's all about this video. If you are new to our channel Gear Up Windows, kindly subscribe it. And if you love this video, press thumbs up. Bye bye.